Good afternoon, YouTube. This is Mark with Hoosier Harris and Homestead, and I'm on the road, obviously. There's not much to look at. But I am heading south on US 31. And I want to show you something that I drive by every time I go down here. It is on the location of what used to be the Grissom Air Force Base. I believe now it's called the Grissom Aeroplex. But what they have is like an aircraft museum, although it's all outside. So as you're driving on the road, if you just drive down 31, you pass it and you can see a number of different planes that are all parked out near the road, and they're pretty cool. But I'm going to try to get inside. I'm assuming it's open daily. This is Sunday afternoon, and if I can, I will take you along for the ride. Just give you some shots of some pretty cool old planes. I know they got an A-10 there. They got some fighter planes. They got some other planes, passenger planes, stuff like that. But that is coming up shortly. So through the magic of YouTube, when this clip transitions, we will be there. Right. I don't know if you can see the tails of some of these planes. Not now, because we're going to go under this overpass. Well, let's exit here and see what we can find. Like I say, I've only been here one time, and I can't recall in here. Well, so here's the deal. It's not open, so I can't get any closer than this. So I'm gonna walk through here, and I was hoping to get up in that tower there. Kind of give you an overview of what's out here. It's pretty cool planes, Air Force and Navy jets. And we got the A-10. And I don't know what all these are, so a cool place to bring kids when it's open, because you can walk around and touch these planes. Get up in the tower. I'm not sure what's underneath that pavilion. Just some neat old warbirds. I love to hear the history on these planes. What they did, where they served. If you know what some of these planes are, let me know. Leave a comment below. This is where I'm at. I'm hoping that comes out. I got some glare on my camera. Grissom Air Museum. Everything's behind fences. And the base actually used to be right back that way. Passenger plane over here. Of course, I got to get a selfie with this Navy plane here. All right. Well, there you have it. The Grissom Air Museum. And it's a nice enough day just to get out and walk around. I wish it was open, but you'll have that. So if you're ever in northern Indiana, north of Indianapolis, north of Kokomo, in the town of Peru, and you're on US 31, you will drive right by this this air museum, and you'll drive by the aeroplex. It has I think there's a prison over here now, and I believe the airfield is active, although I don't know who or what is flying in and out of it. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the little tour. I wish I could have gotten up close to some of the planes, but you know, that's how it goes sometimes. So Indiana does have some interesting things. So all right, you guys have a great week. This is Mark saying so long. Take care. God bless.